A very good evening to all our viewers joining across the island and wherever you are. This is the Week 6 live coverage of the game of Week 6 between the home side Air Force Sports Club hosting Police Sports Club in a crunch encounter. A must-win encounter for both the teams who are reeling at the mid-table.
Take a look at the two team cards. The Cops for you. Amjad Fawmi, Deshan Fernando and Hafiz Sabit make the first row for Police. Mohan Vimaratne, the skipper, pairing up with Samir Jai Singh in the locks. Udar Sanjala Surya, Dorangura and Shanika Harishchandra making up the third row for Police. Primesh Danushka will pair up with Naveen Khanishk in the 9-10 combination. Ramit Himash and Sujan Kurituaku in the wings with Rukshan Madhushanka and Akash Madhushanka pairing up in the center combination. Nihan Bulak Singalage from St. Thomas's will be in at the number 25 jersey at fullback. Replacements are Pereira, Iroshan, Tilakaratnam, Pavituru, Hopwood, Pereira, Chanaka and Shavin making up the Police team card. Taking a look at the host, Monica Pereira, Shamika Kaushan and Nirma Vikramasinghe, the first row. The locks, Nilanta Jayavir and Malisha Virakon, and the very strong third row for Air Force, Nishant Veer, Shashka Fernando and Sarika Beral making up forwards for Air Force. In the backs, we have Visala Kalanka pairing up with Sehand Kumagiliage, Darshan Dabare and Arusha Ratnaika. Gets another head of Udish Ratnaika from last week. Pramod Matbasanka and Ganti Damaga were two very experienced men in the centre pairing with Nathan Gunasekara at the back. Replacements of Fernando Mandeep, Rajanaika, Perus Charatna, Kaluarachi, Ratnaika and Pereira for Air Force making up their playing squad for today. Police to kick start proceedings from left to right.
Captain!
Last year's St. Thomas's player Bulat Singlage
And skipper.
will want to make sure that he starts off the proceedings well. Change in direction, putting the ball high up in the air. Good collection by Damalgoda, who returns the favour. Bulat Singlage is down there to collect it, deciding to run it straight. Good tackle coming in from
Get back.
Virakon. Police with possession. Interesting game this, because both teams will want to make sure that they set up their top four capabilities here. Primesh Danushka with a beautiful box. Here's Dabare, isolated, looks to kick and kicks to no man. This is pressure on Air Force by the Cops early in this game. Now the Air Force forwards called into action.
Get back.
They'll have to make sure that they do some tidying work. The offside line, and here Air Force looking to use the angle with the forwards. Now attacking the fringes. Coming ever so close to that wide wash right underneath the pores. Can the forwards do the work for Air Force? And they do. First commercial bank try from Air Force, and that comes through their forwards. Shashka Fernando has been absolutely brilliant for Air Force throughout this season and even last. Got rewarded by getting picked up for Gasker's outfit and has been an absolute brilliant just 5 meters out. This time the ball jutting out. Varela with the take. This same move gifted them a try last weekend, but this time not being able to execute it properly. Air Force forwards on the ground now. Good hit, Varela on the ground. That's going to be a penalty. Needed to release that ball, Varela, once he was on the ground. If he wanted to go back up again, he needed to release it and then get back up. Quickly taken by Police Sports Club. Madhushankar still on the move. Good thinking by Police, because everybody would have thought that they were going to go for touch. Vimalaratna to Bulat Singalage. Quick ball out. Space in the corner. Will he have the speed? Here's Police. End-to-end stuff. And that's going to be the first commercial bank try coming in from Himash Ramita. Oh, how about that celebration? Deserves that. Absolutely brilliant stuff. They were deep down in their own half.
Great critical thinking coming in by police. Great thinking at the most crucial times, at the brink of half time. 40 minutes up on the mark on our clock.
A couple of more minutes might be available on the referee's clock, given that there were a couple of stoppages. Very good. Maul still on the move. Kaushan at the back, available for Air Force. Has it been grounded? No, held up is the call from referee Atawara. The Cops are elated, and that's going to be half-time. 7 points all, nothing different.
Police Sports Club scored half-time confirmation. Even Stevens here at Ratmalana, 7-all. We go for a commercial break. We will be back soon with the second half action. Stay tuned with the Papare.
Elevate your game with the Papare, Sri Lanka's ultimate sports destination. Experience every heartbeat and every goal like never before. From cricket to football, rugby to athletics, we capture the spirit of every sport that ignites our passion. Relive legendary moments, exclusive interviews and expert commentary, all in one place. Join us for live coverage of thrilling matches and events, bringing you closer to the action. Together, we unite a nation through the love of sports. Tune in to the Papare, your home for all things sports. Live the action. Feel the excitement.
Catch the excitement real time. Be up to date with it all. Let us capture your milestones. Get it sizzling hot off the turf. Hear the experts break it down. Dig deep into the nitty-gritties. Be inspired by their greatness. Relive all the scintillating action.
Going to be an interesting second half. Both teams need a win to try and cement their place in the top four.
Okay, restart.
Locked at 7-all are both the sides, scoring at the opening and the ending chapters of the first half. Here's the very seasoned campaigner, Hiranta Pereira, back on the park for Police Sports Club as a replacement, but wearing his favorite number 12 jersey.
Hiranta to Kanishka. Gain Faumi in the middle. Good straight run by this young prop. Danushka to Vimala Ratna. Here's opportunity for police. Bulat Singalage. Play on, says the referee. Had all the right to that ball that time. Air Force. Police guilty of not securing the ball. Primish Danushka at the ball back. Collects it to Hiranta. Puts in a little dink. Lovely collection, and here's an opportunity for Police Sports Club, and they do score right underneath the post. Lahiru Tilakaratna, who just came in the second half, getting that score. Very good thinking by Hiranta Pereira. Brilliant.
I beg your pardon, Amjad Faumi. Both Wajid and Amjad played for Zaira. And yes, Amjad Faumi with those daring, thumping hits. At one point, police lost the ball. I felt like that man will be dejected for the rest of the game. But nonetheless, Bulat Singalage makes no mistake.
Faumi with the tackle. Digging is Bimal Ratna, but referee says, beg your pardon, Dodangoda. Referee says no.
It has been a while where a forces team or police have come to the top 3 of the Inter-club rugby league here.
Now penalty advantage in favor of the Airmen. And that's going to be the second comeback try.
Now forward.
Oh, lost forward is the call from the referee. Very
12 offside.
fortunate for
Okay, there is
Senior season
Don't move.
campaigners of the whole
Don't
season.
move.
the Bargoda has no problem. Adds in 3 points and cuts the deficit to just 4 points. Danushka with the put in. Here's Pivituru. Breaks from the open side to Hiranta. Little dink. And what a collection. And from the number 14, Sujan Kodituako of Police.
Really dejected for not noticing that after 2 back-to-back tries coming off same fashion.
I believe Pasinapere at that time was caught in 2 worlds, whether to go for the man or wait for the ball. As the conversion goes to
Fresh legs coming in for both the teams, and especially Police will have the upper hand at this moment. The
penalty for Air Force, taken quickly by Fernando, who wants to take matters into his hand. Opportunity now for the Airmen to try and hurry this thing. The forwards do the work. It's a big prop who get the comeback try for Air Force. It's the tight head Nirmal Wickramasinghe who touches down. Try and cut the deficit to just 2 points. The Margoda's conversion goes away. Not successful, so the score will remain at 15 points to 19. Will Air Force go the distance? Here's Kaushan with the throw. The throw is good. Another maul. Air Force inching forward, and they've scored. They've scored the Commercial Bank try, and that's come through Kaushan. The Commercial Bank try through the hooker for all the overthrows. Because some time ago, the referee at our did say 6 minutes on the clock. Time's run out on our clock. Idda Margoda taking all the time he needs. The conversion is not successful, but they won't need that. 20 points to 19. Air Force goes the distance.
Air Force versus Police, 20 points to 19. Here you go, folks. The final scorecard. Sudarshana, 3 tries apiece by both the teams. Just the kicks separating them.
Elevate your game with the Papare, Sri Lanka's ultimate sports destination. Experience every heartbeat and every goal like never before. From cricket to football, rugby to athletics, we capture the spirit of every sport that ignites our passion. Relive legendary moments, exclusive interviews, and expert commentary, all in one place. Join us for live coverage of thrilling matches and events, bringing you closer to the action. Together, we unite a nation through the love of sports. Tune in to the Papare, your home for all things sports. Live the action, feel the excitement.